Hey everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Vasil, and today we're going to talk about how to make money in affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. This is part 2 of the mini course on affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you haven't watched part 1, please watch it. It will be above. Now in this video, I'm going to break down the entire system of affiliate marketing as well as online education and info products. I'm going to show you how the business model works, the future projections that we're going to see in the next 10 years, as well as how you can get started and set up your own affiliate marketing ecosystem where you can promote products and get sales where you didn't even have to create these products. That's the beauty of being an affiliate. And then in the future, when you have some momentum going, you will want to create your own info products as well. That way you can get even more sales and make even more money. So let's dive right in on how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners. But first, can anybody tell me what all of these guys on the screen have in common? Well, they're young, successful millionaires, but they all have an info product business. They all make their money from teaching people certain skills, whether it be Forex investing, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, how to make courses online. And what's really interesting is the way they make money is not necessarily doing what they teach, right? It's not necessarily doing drop shipping or starting an agency or fulfilling for clients in digital marketing. The way they're making money is actually teaching the thing. This is where the real money's at. It's teaching somebody how to do something. Now you can see a clear trend across the years of the online education space in an uptrend, right? And the first rule of business is you never want to be in a shrinking market where it's all going downhill. For example, you don't want to be in the newspaper market when the internet came out, right? You don't want to be in the typewriter market when computers came out, right? So there are shrinking markets and there are growing markets. So online education as a whole is a really growing market. So you can see we're about here in 2025 and 2026. And then it's just projected by 2032, it's going to double, right? So you can see here, in 2023, it was at 50 billion US dollars. It's growing by 23% per year. And by 2032, it's projected to reach $325 billion. So that's a massively expanding market. So online education is where you want to be at. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can anybody be possibly this awesome? But for real, you're probably thinking, but Greg, I don't have a product. I don't have an online education course. I don't have anything. I'm just a beginner. So what I want to tell you is this includes both products that you may potentially create and also products that other people create. Okay. So we can break this into two parts where you have products that you create. Okay. These are your own products that potentially down the line you may want to create a course on a skill that you want to teach, but it's also products that other people created, and we call these affiliate products. So this is affiliate marketing as well, and this includes both of them in this online education space. So products that you may create and products that other people created, right? So here are the trends for affiliate marketing, and you could see a clearly rising trend as well. And by 2028, we're going to be at $15 billion in the affiliate marketing space. And again, affiliate just means somebody created it, you are promoting it for them and getting a part of that sale. If you want to change the word affiliate with the word partner or partnership, that's really easy to do as well. Now, what you may or may not know is some of the biggest companies in the world, like Amazon, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Costco, they have affiliate programs. For example, right now, as we speak, you can open up a Chrome browser and you can type in Amazon affiliate program. And this is the first link that you want to click. And then what happens is you will have this little extra interface here where you can click this get link. So for example, if I wanted to promote a kitchen product, I could click on this pan and you could see how much commission over here I could make, and I could get my link. So affiliate marketing if you're really a beginner and new to it, really hinges on these affiliate links. This link that you're looking at right now, amazon.to/4NB6, this is unique to me only. It's unique to me and to this product. There's a short version, there's a full version, okay? So all I need to do is copy this link, share this on my social media to my followers, and whenever people click and buy this product, I will get a commission based on whatever the commission rate is. It's automated. Are you guys getting this? Now, say I was a video creator and I had a video YouTube channel. I could also come over here, click on this camera that I like, that I personally use, and I could recommend it to my followers and get this 4% commission on $548. And all I have to do is get a link. And this is, again, a unique identifier on this link that whenever I share this link and I post this link, it's attributed back to me and I get a percentage of the sale. So here's a perfect example of how this is done on YouTube. So here's a video reviewing a little mic, a DJI mic, right? So this video talks about the benefits of this mic and how awesome it is and how it can improve your audio quality as a video creator, etc., etc. It shows this in use by the creator. But then if you go under the video, which is called the description, you can see there's links right here. And if you click more, you can see a bunch of these links. Okay, these are affiliate links. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. Now, he changed it. This is still an Amazon link. So it's going to take us to Amazon, as you can see. Okay, but he did change it to make, instead of say Amazon, he changed it to his own link, which is totally fine. It still redirects to the Amazon link, okay? Now, don't be afraid to click on affiliate links, okay? It's not gonna cost you anything, all right? So don't be afraid to click on them unless it's some shady SMS that you got from an unknown number, right? But on social media, on YouTube, it's fine to click these affiliate links. And if you like the product, it's okay to buy it through the affiliate link because it's not any more expensive to you, okay? The only difference is if you buy it through this person's affiliate link, let's say this product right here, they will get a small commission, but the total price will not change. I know some people are scared, oh, but I have to pay more. I don't want to get it through the affiliate link, so I'm going to go Google it. It's totally fine to get it through the link if you want that product because you're supporting the creator by giving them a percentage. If anything, you are taking money away from a big corporation and helping it, like Robinhood, distribute it to the small creator, okay? But it's a win-win for the corporation too because they didn't have to get this customer. They got this customer for free, so they're willing to give a small percentage to that creator, okay? So that's how affiliate marketing works. And then when you are an affiliate, right, you will want people to click on your links and buy products through your link. So it's like a virtuous cycle. You buy products through other people's links freely, and people will buy products through your link in the future as well. If you're worried and you don't want to do that, and you're always constantly going and Googling to that website to buy it without the affiliate link, then people are probably going to do the same thing to you in the future, okay? So again, don't be afraid to click on affiliate links and buy product through affiliate links. So that was the kind of example of a video channel, right? Here's an example of a mommy channel. There's a ton of moms on YouTube and Instagram making vlogs showing how they take care of their babies. The baby industry is massive, absolutely massive, right? So for example, this person has, if I expand this, click more, a ton of products that she mentioned in this video, okay, where we can get these products. So her following, and sometimes what's awesome is that there will be an extra discount because of the affiliate link. So there's sometimes benefits. For example, an affiliate can offer extra bonuses if you buy through their link, all right? So this happens all the time. You could see if you buy this product for $11, this creator will get a certain percentage of that affiliate commission automatically through Amazon. So you can see how many things she posted. Now, a brand new mom that follows her will probably want to buy some of these. And sometimes they want to buy because they need the product, but sometimes they buy it because they just want to support that creator. So it's a whole bunch of maternity stuff that this person promotes and gets income from. And the more her channel grows, right? Right now she has 136,000. The more her channel grows, the more affiliate money she will make. And affiliate income for creators is often even more profitable than the ads, because everybody thinks, oh, she's making it from ads. When, when you try to watch a YouTube video, you get that annoying ad. Well, the creator gets a little part of that, but mostly from brand sponsorships, for example, mentioning the product in the video, and affiliate sales. All right, here's another one. Here's a lady that teaches gardening, simple gardening, and she has a link that you can buy 10 packets of seeds for gardening. All right, it's probably a low ticket item, but because she has 250,000 followers, she can get a bunch of these little sales. Now, you could either Google it or you could scroll down to the bottom of Amazon and you can see right here, become an affiliate. So that's the portal where you can sign up and you can start sharing your affiliate links to the products you promote. Here's one for Target as well. See, affiliate. So sometimes it says affiliate, sometimes it says partner, but almost every single large retailer or product owner has this partnership affiliate program. And again, it's always win-win because they didn't have to spend that money on marketing to acquire that customer. You did it for them. Therefore, they will share that commission with you. Now, guys, I actually don't recommend promoting physical products if you're a beginner. And here's why. If you look at this chart, this is from Amazon. The commissions are actually really low for these products. So you could see right here, as we go for luxury and beauty, it's about 10%, which is actually not bad, but it's still on the low side. Music and physical, handmade, digital videos, 5%. Books, kitchen, automotive, 4.5%. Tablet devices, so any kind of devices and stuff, and electronics, 4% is pretty low. DVD, Blu-ray, 250. So it's actually really, really low. So the only way that you can make a lot of money with promoting Amazon products is if you have a big following. Okay. So again, those mommy influencers, the camera guys, where they're selling for the camera, they're selling a $2,000 camera. So 4% for them is okay. For moms, they have a large following. They're selling smaller ticket items, but they get a lot more volume. That's okay. So I actually, if you're a complete beginner, I don't recommend selling these kinds of physical products, especially from big box retailers. All of these products, they have high overheads, right? They have cost of goods sold. So therefore, they are costly. So the creator cannot share as much of the profit with you via commission. Does that make sense? So instead, I recommend going back to what we talked about, and this is the online education space and info products, courses, coaching, consulting programs. These are much more lucrative to sell. For example, here is an affiliate marketplace called Copecart, and you could see there are courses here that pay a much higher commission and they cost a lot more. For example, you can see here's a course that costs $997, okay, and they pay out 35% commission. So you can potentially, for the sale of this course, you can get 300, almost $350 for one sale. Now, as I scroll down, here you can see 30% on a $1,700 sale, right? So that's $500. Another 30% on a $1,700 sale. Here's a good one, 35% on a $2,500 course. Okay, now these courses, again, we can have like lower ticket, $17, $27, $97, right? Even $197, $297. But then as we get into medium ticket, we can get $497, $997, right? $1,500, $2,000, $2,500 for a course, right? It depends how in-depth it is. So this is the beauty of the education market and online education, and specifically affiliate marketing, where you can promote something like this and get 35% of it. So you stand to gain $873. Now, to get a sale like this, of course, you need somebody to buy this product, right? So that's what we'll talk about after. But right now, I'm just showing you how you can find these products. And to get $100 from a camera you sold, a $2,000 camera, is just as hard as or just as easy as selling a $2,500 program and getting 35% of it. Okay. Now here's another affiliate marketplace, and this is the one that I personally use and recommend. It's called OfferLab. This is a brand new affiliate marketplace created by the founder of ClickFunnels, the guy that I promoted his product and I made 6 figures with it. So I really trust the person that created this, and I know that promoting these products will be a real win for me, right? So this is a mix. So you have e-com, digital goods, courses and coaching and experiences. So you can see you could promote supplements. The supplements here, they're actually, the founder of this takes these supplements and he said that this is really high quality vitamin C. Chemzyme helps you break down plastics in your body. Digestamine helps with digestion. So you want to promote products that you stand behind, right? Whether it's physical or digital. And digital products. So for example, here you have Brian Tracy, who's an incredible motivational speaker, right? And you just have a lot of choice here that you could help promote. Now, this is a great time to talk about niches or niches, right? What a niche is pretty much is a market. The 3 main niches or markets that you want to be in are health, wealth, and relationships. So based on where you fit in or where you want to be is the type of products that you want to promote. So if you're a fitness guru, if you are a fit individual, and you make your content around fitness and being fit and nutrition and let's say smoothies, recipes, then you'll be in the health space. So you will promote things like courses, programs, and then all kinds of supplements for the health industry, right? If you're in the wealth space, and that could be anything like make money online, affiliate marketing, crypto, forex trading. There's a lot of like subcategories, sub niches inside of that. Then you will promote mostly digital products and how to and help solve people's problems. Okay. So right now you don't have to niche down and pick your subcategory. Eventually you will want to, because through the content that you make, you can speak more directly to individuals, such as, for example, I help. You want to always complete that sentence kind of, who do you help? So I help people lose weight. Let's say you can make this much money, but I help postpartum moms lose their baby fat after birth, who are also corporate women climbing the corporate ladder. You can make a lot more because you will speak to them directly and you can sell them products that can make you more money. Just like Alex Hormozy said, if you sell a time management course, you can sell that for $27. If you sell time management for corporate, you could sell that for $200. If you sell time management for corporate accountants that are dads, blah, 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 blah. You see how when you niche down, you can make more money basically by speaking to those individuals and promoting those specific courses. But right now, if you're a beginner, you don't have to feel overwhelmed and really niche down. Stay broad, but do try to pick one of these. And most of you will fall under this wealth, especially if you don't know where you fit in yet. Okay, and you saw my videos and you want to make money online, you're most likely going to be in this wealth category. Okay, so for you, it's not going to be necessarily any supplements that you're selling. Okay, but you're going to be promoting these courses and online education and digital products. So back to OfferLab, if you're in the online wealth space, you will want to come over and go to digital goods or courses and coaching, which I believe are pretty much the same thing. Now, in the next video, we're going to cover in depth the digital product ecosystem. So I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself, but I just wanted to show you how step 1 and the kind of content that you create and the kind of product that you pick in step 3 to promote via that content and your affiliate marketing ecosystem should be related based on if you chose wealth, health, or relationships. That's why earlier we talked about the 3 main markets, industries, or niches, and then the type of products that you would be selecting to promote inside of your affiliate marketing ecosystem. So thanks for watching, and keep going and watch the next video in the series.